Welcome back to Overheat, a Class C motorhome. The 2026 Coachmen Freelander is made to be comfortable and convenient for your journeys. The 2026 Freelander provides a large and cozy living area for a family or small party with its contemporary and practical interior design. Important attributes: flexible layouts. There are numerous layout possibilities available for the 2026 Freelander to meet your needs. Some models come with a full bathroom with a shower, dining space that can be used as an extra bed, and a queen-size bed. Fully furnished kitchen, a stove, oven, refrigerator, and microwave are among the contemporary appliances in the kitchen. You can now cook your favorite dishes while on the go thanks to this. Entertainment. The 2026 Freelander has a cutting-edge entertainment system that includes Bluetooth connectivity, a sound system, and a flat-screen TV. This guarantees that you and your passengers will be amused during the journey. Comfort. To guarantee your comfort in any weather, the 2026 Freelander is outfitted with heating, air conditioning, and a hot water tank. Safety. The 2026 Freelander comes with cutting-edge safety technologies like parking sensors, an anti-lock braking system ABS, and a rear-view camera. Technical details, which may differ depending on the model. Length varies, usually ranging from 20 to 30 feet. Engine, depending on the model, either a Ford or a Chevrolet. Sleeping capacity varies, usually ranging from 4 to 8 people. Tank for freshwater varies, usually between 40 and 50 gallons. Tank for wastewater varies, usually between 30 and 40 gallons. The 2026 Coachmen Freelander's overall goals are families seeking a relaxing road trip, couples who want to experience nature, friends in small groups who like to go on excursions together. Power canopy. The power canopy adds extra living space that is ideal for lounging or dining al fresco by providing cozy shade outside. Large external storage. The 2026 Freelander has a roomy external storage area that may accommodate sports equipment,